Another mechanical video here. Someone forgot to put a bolt into here, and it's the guy looking in the camera. Ow! Hey Phil. Well, my next job here, I'm gonna take the car. I got such a howl on this side, and I'm thinking the bearing that I just replaced here is not good. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wash the car up. I'm actually going to take that wheel off and wash everything so that I don't have to wash it inside the shop. It's mild here. It's about 4 degrees Celsius, which is, everything's melting. This is unheard of for this time of the year. Normally, it should be about -14, and everything should be nice and white. So, backstory, I did replace this bearing here not long ago. Maybe what I'll do is we'll go and I'll take a ride up to the road here. What I'm going ahead, I bought one of the cheaper ones. It's a year warranty under them. And it sounds like they got a motor in the back of the car. Thinking it's this backside here, so we can hear there's a little bit of a howl on there, and sounds like that I got a lawnmower engine in the back of the car. Hello cows. Those are the heifers. Yeah, this thing actually melted quite a bit here, so I'm gonna park the car over here and we're gonna wash the car, because this side is what we're going to fix first. Take the keys out because, man, that outside furnace looks ugly. I thought I had that thing sold. I had a guy, he said that, he called me up right away. He says, I'll buy it off you. So he was from another province, and he says, I'll send you a deposit in a week. Well, one thing led to another. Well, I never did get the deposit. I'm gonna plug the tractor in because my tractor doesn't start as good as it should. It should start in weather like this, no problem. There's your problem, Randy. Ah, well, I think I found my problem. It's not the wheel bearing. I guess someone forgot to put a bolt into here, and it's the guy looking in the camera. Now we gotta find a bolt. Kind of wore this down a little bit. I don't think I did any damage. I guess I loosened this and I forgot to tie it to so the bottom one's holding, but not very good. So let's go find ourselves a... I'm going to take that other one off so I know what kind of a bolt I need. Good thing the whole caliper didn't fall off. So I'm just going to take the bottom one off so I can find myself another bolt to put on. I replaced the bearing here on the rear of the 2014 Impala. I don't know, I think I probably made 3,000 kilometers on it, maybe more. So anyways, it led me here that this was the problem. Just lately, I could hear this howl, and I'm thinking, must be the bearing, because I bought the cheaper bearings because I don't know how long I'm going to own this car. Year warranty on these bearings, so I thought, okay, you know what, it's going to be fine. I'm going to have these, and I thought, well, maybe they're not that great. So what I did is I actually bought another one, another bearing, 3 times the price. So my goal was to put the other bearing on. So I thought, well, I'm going to wash the car so it's clean, because I didn't want to get my hands dirty at all, like, or because it's all, you can just kind of see how much, like, it's sloppy outside, and that's what the gravel roads are. And so just cleaning it up. Then one thing I noticed when I was cleaning it, I'm thinking, wow, this thing's very shiny. That's the brake caliper. Then I look, and there's supposed to be a bolt over here. I put in another one, and the bolt was missing. A couple of things could have happened. Is maybe I didn't have it tight enough. That's a possibility. The other one was at the bottom was fairly tight. But anyways, this thing was leaning back, and when the tire was going forward, it was actually touching this, and it was making quite a howl. So I think I have averted that problem. So we're gonna try it. So, and lucky enough that those are fine threads, and I have a tendency of not throwing things away. So I was able to find something in my shop, because the closest for me to go to pick up any parts is 50 miles away. But anyways, I shined it up nicely here. Didn't do no damage. I think we'll get back going again, and because the plan was to clean everything up, put it in the shop, work on it. Probably would take me about an hour and a half to fix it. I plugged this tractor in just to make sure, but now I don't have to take it out, so which is okay. So why don't we just unplug the tractor since I'm here already. And that's the broken one down. He's getting a heart transplant. So anyways, I think I'm quite pleased. But what I will do, because it didn't really make any sense, like, oh, why don't we clean all this garbage out of here? Okay. You want to live in the country, you're going to get dirty. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh, so what was happening here wasn't the tire. I'll show you exactly what was happening here. So anyways, I was wrong. It wasn't the tire. It was actually the rim was rubbing on here. You can actually see where the paint has been coming off here. And it was rubbing on there. So, you know, it's just kind of right through here. It's, now what that's going to do is it's going to form rust there. Shoot, I'll have to repaint those. We've got maybe another 5 or 6 weeks of winter, and then I'll take these tires off and these rims off, because these are the winter tires. So let's put this back on. Okay, well, I'm pretty pleased with that I can take that other hub back, the more expensive one. So anyways, I'm going to put all my tools away, going to give that car a little bit of a test drive, and sure happy that I had some bolts that could work. You know, I've got bolts all over the place here, different kinds of bolts, and I try to keep a habit of not throwing things away. I learned something out of this. Always double check your bolts that are tight, snug, that you don't have an issue, because right now I could be doing something else. we're hitting 70 clicks. Okay, I think we're better now. Okay, well anyways, that's good. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, you gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna sit down? Okay.